All right, we're headed out for a flight, and I noticed a pretty cool plane over here. It's actually Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s private plane. It's registered out of North Carolina. This plane is a Cessna Citation Latitude. $16.65 million for this plane. I think there's about 150 of them built. Check this out. He's about to get out and hop on the plane. Junior carries his own bags. Check that out. That's awesome. So thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing. Thanks for hitting that bell button to get notified when I do get more videos up. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys again next time.